Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of Facebook ads. So in order to learn Facebook ads, first of all you should have a Facebook account. So this is my Facebook account, which is recently created by me in order to teach you all guys how to create your Facebook ads. So once you are done creating your account, just click on this drop down arrow what you see over here, and after that just wait for a while. Once you click on that, just click on settings, and once you click on the settings, this tab will be getting opened. Let me just open this. Okay, so after that this tab will be getting opened, and over here you will find all your personal information like your contact number, username, everything. So you just have to come over here and click on this identity confirmation. So basically confirming your identity is important over here, because as long as you are not confirming your identity, you won't be able to run Facebook ads, because my previous account got banned because I had not confirmed my identity. So just click on this, and once you are done clicking on this, it will show you this kind of a tab. Let me just show you that. Okay, so after that you will get one tab where you have to enter the password of your Facebook account, and then you will get this kind of interface where you have to submit your identity proof like your driving license or your PAN card or something. And after that these people from the Facebook will come to your address to confirm that this account actually belongs to you. So this is the like verification process which they are carrying out. I don't know for what reason, maybe this is their recent policy, but just make sure that you are having your identity confirmed, because if your identity is not confirmed, there are high chances that your account might get banned. Okay, so just make sure that you are confirming your identity. So my identification process is still going on. Today I got call from them that by tomorrow or day after tomorrow they will come to my house, so they will visit my house to confirm my identity. So this is just a confirmation process. So this is the initial these are some of the initial steps which you have to follow in order to start running your Facebook ads. So what I'll do is, now I will come over here, and second requirement what you will be in need of is a Facebook page. Okay, so just click on this create, then click on this page, and over here you have to just create a page. Since I'm a brand, I will click on this first step. I will say get started, and I will give the name to my page like I will give the name as web development. You can give any name, whatever you want. And this comes under the category of academics. There are many categories over here. You just select whatever suits for you. You can have the categories like the shopping, then the sports, restaurant, then the school. So this is the academic. I will say this is some sort of school. I will say continue. You can choose any category, no issues with that. Okay, so after that you will be taken to this page where you have the option to upload the profile pic of your page. You can just upload it, or you can just skip it. If you want to design your Facebook page in a better way, then just go to Canva over here and search for Facebook, and it will give you the options over here. Okay, so as you can see, it is giving me the options like for what you want to design a template for Facebook ad, Facebook cover page. See, this is my page, so you can just select this option. Okay, so whatever suits for you, just select that, and you will get some already some post will be present over there. You just have to select one template. Let me just show you. Let me select this Facebook pub cover, and just some of the templates. So you can just select any one that you like, and everything is customizable. Like suppose now I'm selecting this one. Okay, so now suppose I want to change this text to something like web development, then I will just say web development. You can just drag and drop, and there is one text over here. I will just delete that. Okay, and this is my text. If you want, you can even change this. I will say webinar. If you want to change the color of this, you can do that also. Everything is customizable. You can change whatever you want. If you want to add text, you can just do that from this place. If you want to add some elements, photos, if you want to upload something, everything is available over here. Once you're done with all those things, just click on download, click this JPEG format, click on download button, and it will get downloaded. Okay, so this is that image which got downloaded. Okay, this is one that so I will come over here, and I will say, I will select that. Okay, sorry guys, the template which was downloaded by me, that is the cover photo. So now I was supposed to upload it, and previous one was the peak of my page. Okay, so let me just upload that over here. Let's just see how my page looks. Okay, so later on if you want to change it, then you can even change that. Just click on this add cover and it will be getting changed. Okay, I will say choose from photo. I will choose this one. Okay, so now it got uploaded. I will say save, and you can even change or update this peak of your page. Okay, so everything is customizable on Canva and everything is free. Some templates are free and some are paid ones, so just make sure that you're selecting the free one. And this is how your page looks. So creating page is important, because as long as you're not having your page, you won't be able to create ads. So these are some of the steps which are required and important. And make sure one thing guys, whenever you're creating this Facebook account, you should have your proper Facebook account with your image, your name and everything. Otherwise it won't take much time for Facebook to ban your account. So they always try their level best to ban your account, because some or the other way you will violate some or the other policy of theirs, and they will ban your account. So just make sure that you are on the safer side. Before starting to make use of the Facebook ads, just go and read their privacy policies. There are some of the privacy policies from the Facebook which you cannot violate, like you cannot promote the sexual content, like some sexual stuff. Then you cannot promote the hatred towards some religion, community. So these are some of the privacy policies of the Facebook which you cannot violate. If you're violating them, then your account might get banned. Okay, so just make sure that you are reading the privacy policies. I will be introducing you guys to some of them in the future, but as of now these are some of the steps which you should follow. I will after this video I will take you all to the dashboard of the ads manager, where I'll show you how to create ads. Thanks for watching.